Porto Alegre, located in Brazil, is a vibrant and charming city that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences. Porto Alegre, the capital of the state of Rio Grande do Sul, is known for its rich history, diverse population, and stunning scenery. One of the best ways to enjoy the beauty of Porto Alegre is through aerial views captured by drone. These aerial shots offer a mesmerizing view of the city's architecture, landscapes, and beaches. From above, you can see vast urban areas juxtaposed with lush green areas, creating a visually striking contrast. The city of Porto Alegre itself sits on the shores of Lake Guaiba, offering stunning waterfront views. The cityscape is a mix of modern architecture and historic buildings, showing its dynamic evolution over time. Travelers can explore historic sites such as the public market and Farrupilla Park, which are popular gathering places for locals. The city also hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year, including art exhibitions, music festivals, and theater performances.